Bonjour les gourmands, welcome to day 12 of French in 90 days. You've done all the hard work. You can order your coffee, your croissant, and your jus d'orange. And you even know the numbers. But imagine you're sitting at a little Parisian table and the waiter asks if everything is okay, or you want to tell your friend how amazing that pastry is. If you just nod, they won't know how much you appreciate it. Today we'll learn the essential phrases for complimenting food. C'est bon, it's good, and c'est délicieux, it's delicious. Let's sound grateful and French. Let's make sure those core phrases are cemented. Repetition, repetition, repetition. That's how your brain locks it in. How do you politely start any order? I would like. Je voudrais. Order a coffee now. Un café s'il vous plaît. Order a croissant. Un croissant s'il vous plaît. How do you thank the person serving you? Merci. Now the final reflex test. Order 2 croissants. Je voudrais 2 croissants s'il vous plaît. Formidable. You're at the table enjoying your delicious pain au chocolat when your friend Julian asks you a question. Listen to how you express satisfaction. Alors, ton pain au chocolat, ça va? Carrément, c'est trop bon. Ah cool, moi, mon café, il est délicieux. Génial. On reprend un jus d'orange? Let's check the new vocabulary and natural street French. Alors, ton pain au chocolat, ça va? Alors, so well is a huge filler word, and Julian is asking the equivalent of so. Your chocolate croissant, is it okay? Ça va can means how are you? Or in the context, is it good? Is it okay? Carrément, c'est trop top. You remember carrément, totally. The key phrase, c'est bon, means it's good. But to sound natural, add trop, too, very. C'est trop bon, it means it's too good, or it's really good. Ah cool, moi, mon café, il est délicieux. Délicieux, delicious, a strong compliment. Génial, on reprend un jus d'orange. Génial means great. On reprend means shall we take another? Let's master the food compliment. Say, it is good. C'est bon. C'est bon. Faster, with emotion. C'est bon. Now, say, it is too good. Means really good. C'est trop bon. C'est trop bon. Let's use the stronger word. It is delicious. C'est délicieux. C'est délicieux. With the great French R sound. C'est délicieux. Repetition isn't boring. It's your secret weapon. Imagine you just finished a fantastic coffee. The coffee is delicious. Le café, c'est délicieux. Now you're eating a croissant. Say, it is good. C'est bon. Your friend asks if your food is okay. Ça va? Tell them totally, it's too good. Carrément, c'est trop bon. Fantastic. You now have the full range of positive food reviews. Félicitations! Today you moved past ordering and learned to appreciate. You're equipped with c'est bon and the elegant c'est délicieux. These are key phrases for showing gratitude and fitting in. If you keep this up, you won't just be eating French food, you'll be reviewing it. Next time, how to get the bell. L'addition s'il vous plaît. Don't run away without playing. À demain.